walking on lines over there. I probably wouldn't be able to do that during the day just because like the sun would just be pounding on me, and then working with the line like in the sun, because I kind of like broke a sweat like slacklining just like in the shade with the wind. There'll probably be like there's gonna be a lot more people like on the beach. They're probably gonna want to try it, so I don't want to go through the process of having multiple people on my line over and over again. Not that I don't mind, it's just that means I'd have to help them. It means I have to hold them and guide them and teach them. And I'm on vacation. I guess we're riding another short bus. About to get on a boat and go to Isla Mujeres. That's the homie right there. Just wanna take some time. You don't know. Just wanna take all aboard. Make sure I don't lose my hat. Poor shark having to be in that small confined space. That was a super short stay. That's unfortunate. I thought we were gonna go into the city. I guess not. We just came here to eat, I guess. was wrong. We just went to the city right now. We're just gonna walk around for about an hour and a half. I came all the way here to see my buddy here. Haven't seen him in years. What's up, dog? I swear it's the homies reunion today. What's up, cuz? What's up? I found a rock climbing spot here. Or maybe not, them shits are short. Aboard! I almost fell. So we're back to Cancun. That'll do it for today's vlog. Give me a thumbs up if you guys liked the video. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, people. Don't forget to subscribe.